It's been a long time out. Hey, Dorothy, what are you doing holding the trophy? Did we win?
Yes, Jeff, we did.
We won! We won!
Wow.
Well, so that's all from Wiggle House. So until next time, see ya.